If you are dealing with any form of tumors or you have been diagnosed with cancer, eat this food to add to support whatever treatment you are doing. And the name of the food I want you to eat is cauliflower soup. Yes, cauliflower has been documented from scientific reports to be very rich in coenzyme 10. Let me review some of the reports to you. It's very good. It has anti-inflammatory agents in it. It also helps to boost the red blood cells and also the white blood cells. It is very good as an antioxidant. It is also a detoxicant. It is a food that can help naturally to help the body. So when you're dealing with any form of tumors or some kind of growth, you want to include cauliflower to your diet, unless you have an allergy to it or you have a specific reason why you shouldn't take it. But generally, cauliflower is something that you should add to your diet. Now, how do you make your cauliflower? What are the ingredients? You need just two ingredients. You need carrot and you need cauliflower. Carrot increases the availability of the nutrients in cauliflower. So you need to get one cauliflower, a small bunch of it, something that you can finish at a time. Cut it into small cubes, then cut your carrot into small cubes also. Put your water in your clay pot on the fire, allow it to boil, add your cauliflower to it. This is a soup. You want to cook it under very low heat, not for long. The whole cooking time is not more than 3 minutes because you don't want to lose the nutrients in it. So you put it in the fire, once your water is boiled, you put your cauliflower and your carrot in it, and then you turn down the heat very, very slow, and then you add a little salt. You can add a little pepper just for taste, but it's not necessary. Allow it to stay in the fire for up to 3 to 5 minutes. Don't allow the water to dry up. You need the water, and then you drink this soup every evening. I tell you that you will see a lot of difference in the nutrients. It will give you some strength, So if you are dealing with maybe not just a cancer or any tumor, but if you are dealing with any condition that is like, a chronic condition that is causing you to be feeling tired, you want to add this simple soup to your diet. I hope you're going to be trying it, and I'm going to share with you next time another thing that you're going to take in this cancer awareness month. See you in a bit. Bye.